construction kasi I believe you have a very fast-paced na construction
Yes.
because of the I believe your technology that
Yeah.
you've used, no sir?
Also, when since we started and conceptualized the project, the corporation always acknowledge na kailangan ng faster delivery
Oo.
because mas magkakaroon ng confidence yung buyers if yung units are turned over faster.
Correct.
So our structure is a steel structure.
Okay.
Usually sa atin kasi binubuhusan ng semento,
Oh,
pinapatuyo
correct.
kanya matagal. Yung sa amin, we have one project na parang halos every floor, every month lang eh. So this one, we are approximating around 6 months to build the whole structure hanggang sa roofing. So once that is built, everything will be finishing works already.
Wow.
So 6 months and then steel structure, and with the concerns naman ng buyers lately na may mga earthquakes, this can stand the earthquake better because dahil bakal nagsasway siya with the earthquake, hindi siya magka-crack.
So when it comes sa stability
Yes.
and the quality of the materials, pasok si Emerald
yes.
Suites. And of course, I believe you've already submitted all the plans, the building permits, and I believe approved na sa
We
government.
have a license to sell already and also a building permit.
Yes.
Dahil sabi namin, ayaw namin ma-delay yung project. Kaya in-apply na namin even before the groundbreaking.
Wow, yun.
Yeah.
That's a very good, ano po, no, na we're very ahead of the game, no. So, ayun, thank you po. Anything to share with our future buyers po, sir?
Okay.
A message to encourage them why we will invest sa Emerald Suites.
Please come and look at our pages, our social media pages, and also talk to our brokers and explore living in a condo setting here in Angeles, because we are a good alternative to having a secured, convenient way of living here in the center of Angeles.